Welcome to the channel. Did you know that water makes up about 70% of our body? It's no wonder that water is vital to our life. But what if I told you that water can do more than just sustain us physically? Today we explore a new dimension of water where you can use its power to manifest your goals and your wishes. This technique is known as the law of attraction water technique. I've broken down this concept into 5 parts to help you understand and apply it effectively. I will try and explain this fully to you, so it may be a long video. Please watch it till the end to ensure you get all the details and don't miss out on anything. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the future videos. We have 2 posted videos every week. So let's begin. Introduction to water. Since the beginning of time, water has held immense significance. Many of the first civilizations rose near water sources, and many scientific studies indicate that the first form of life emerged in water. As a child, I was always told to become like water. Just like water takes the shape of anything it is kept in, we should mold ourselves according to situations. Otherwise, we may end up struggling in life. The famous martial artist Bruce Lee once said in an interview, "Be water, my friend," emphasizing the need to adapt to various situations to move ahead in life. If you don't get water for some time, your body and mind will suffer greatly. And this underlines water's critical role in our well-being. Importance of water. Since the beginning of time, different cultures and religions have all given the importance to water and used it within their rituals. In Christianity, baptism happens with the assistance of water. In Islam, water is treated as very sacred, sustaining life on earth. Hindus like myself pray to the sun god with water, and in every temple, holy blessed water is given to all the devotees. So now you can see the importance of water. Have you thought about water like this before? What is it in water that makes it so revered across various religious rituals? Water has its own place and significance that even gods have been worshipped with it. The science behind water. Japanese scientist Dr. Masaru Emoto was captivated by the connection between water and human emotions. He began a scientific examination to understand why water holds a place in so many spiritual practices. His research found that water has magnetic properties that can attract and retain our feelings within its molecules. This was confirmed by observing changes in the molecular structure of water, which altered in response to different emotions. When we hold water in our hands, our emotions and energies transfer into the water's molecules. When someone drinks that water, these feelings and energies permeate their body, starting the reprogramming of the subconscious mind. This profound discovery highlights the importance of our thoughts. It is said that thoughts shape humans, and Dr. Emoto's research provides scientific backing for this idea. Despite having the same physical components, what differentiates us is the thoughts we harbor in our minds. You become what you think. Humans experience around 60,000 thoughts in a single day. While it might seem daunting to control so many thoughts, think of it like the friction of a rope leaving imprints on a stone. With effort and practice, you can control your thoughts, guiding them to come and go as you wish. These controlled thoughts have the potential to transform you into a money magnet, a relationship expert, a business tycoon, and so much more. Start today to control your thoughts and manifest your dreams. The role of water in manifestation. Water is a powerful conductor of energy. Since our bodies are mostly water, it makes sense that water can influence our vibrations and our energy fields. By infusing water with positive intentions, we can align our energy with our desires. Water is critical for all cellular processes in the body. So before you ingest it, add messages and affirmations, and this can be beneficial and can aid manifestation through positive vibrations. How the water technique works. Now that we have seen the importance of thoughts and water scientifically, let's come and see how we can manifest our goals and wishes through water via our thoughts. So, step 1, start with a clear intention. What is it that you want to manifest? You've got to be so specific and positive in your wording. Step 2, what you need to do is take a glass of water, hold it in your hands, close your eyes and visualize your intention. Imagine the energy of your intention flowing from your mind, through your body and into your water. And step 3, drinking the water. As you drink the water, feel the body absorbing the positive energy and intentions. Believe that your intention is being integrated into every cell of your body. You can enhance the technique further by speaking positive affirmations while infusing the water with your intention. Affirmations are positive words that you think and say as if they've already happened. For example, if you wish to always be fit, then you must say, I feel so fit, thank you. And if you want to manifest money, you can say, I always have enough money, thank you. And feel grateful for what you are about to receive, because gratitude elevates your vibrational state and helps you manifest your desires so much quicker. And then make sure that you are practicing this technique regularly, preferably at the same time each day. And this is to build a strong habit and reinforce your intention. So to understand and learn more about the law of attraction, I've created a detailed book summary on The Secret, and you can watch it here or get the link in the show notes. So real life examples and tips. When you start practicing this regularly, you have to stay vigilant to identify what ideas and thoughts are being shown. This may be a signal from the universe indicating the steps required by you so that you may achieve your goals and wishes. It may be that immediately upon drinking the water, those ideas don't come to you. And the thing to note here is that when you remain vigilant as you've invoked the law of attraction, water technique, and new opportunities will be shown to you to remain ready from within so you can redesign your future as you've always wanted. Here are some additional tips. Always use clean, clear glass to symbolize clarity and purity, and keep your thoughts positive and avoid any sort of doubt when practicing this technique. Understanding the law of attraction. The law of attraction is the idea that like attracts like. Essentially, by focusing on positive or negative thoughts, you bring positive or negative experiences into your life. It's about harnessing the power of your mind to shape your reality. Everything in the universe is made up of energy, including our thoughts and feelings. When we focus on something, we emit vibrations that attract similar vibrations back to us. With the water technique, we are doing the same thing. They say that beauty lies in simplicity, and this step is proof that even a simple step like this water technique can create unbelievable miracles in your life. So you just saw how you can use the law of attraction water technique with ease, and just by drinking water you can design your whole future. If you wish, you can deploy this law of attraction water technique in other dimensions of your life and manifest the wishes in that aspect of your life too. People have used this technique to manifest improved health, better relationships, career or business growth, financial abundance, So the possibilities are endless. So where to from here? It is food for thought that many of us have spent a quarter or a third of our lives drinking water. Today, however, we can work on our thoughts and manifest our goals and wishes just by drinking water. This is such an amazing thing to do. So next time you're drinking water, you know what to do. You must practice this technique slowly and in isolation to begin with. After some days, this technique will embed itself into your act of drinking water, and you can practice it wherever you are. All you have to do is to have faith in the water technique that can change your subconscious mind and reprogram it, guiding you down the path of creating the most perfect future. This is your decision as it's your life, so don't delay. The universe just wants to see you well off, to see you in victory, and to give you a better life. So keep drinking water and allow yourself to strive and your life to go in the right and the new direction. And at this point, I want to say thank you. I hope you've liked this video and that you'll be able to create this habit of drinking water and charging the water with your thoughts before you drink it, so you too can transform your life. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, then please do so and let me know in the comments below what you'd like to manifest into your life. Also, like this video as it keeps me motivated to bring you more videos like this one. If you think this video will help others, please do share it with your friends and family. And with that, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to you. I hope you found value in the water technique, and I trust that you'll be able to implement it into your life effectively. If you want to check it out, there are more videos on my channel like this one, which will help you change your life and become more successful. And I'd love to bring you more such content. If you believe you can make a difference in people's lives, consider reaching out to collaborate. Remember, sharing is caring. Spread the word and share this knowledge with everyone you know. Until next time, thank you so much for being a part of the growing community. See you soon with even more insightful content. Thank you once again.